Sup guys, Fluffy G here. Today we're going to be doing an awesome unboxing. We got another Guardian Toys and Boost Pack. Let's get into it. Got one Guardian Toys and Boost Pack. I might start doing, like playing maybe Minecraft on my channel. I don't know. So I'm going to get the energy fighting. Oh, yes! Fighting energy. Got it. Okay. So we got fighting energy. Got a vanillish. Bam. Got a Aether Paradise Conversation Area. That's a really long card. A Hala. Rockruff. I love that card. Rockruff's so cute. A Machop. A Trubbish. What's really sad about Trubbish is that it's basically the two words trash and rubbish. Trubbish. Sad card. We've got a Delibird. Got a Jammo-O. Ooh, a Alolan Vulpix Reverse Holo. That's common. And a Whiscash. I don't have this card. I mean, it is just a regular rare card, but I don't have that card. And it's always good to have a card to add to your collection. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next one.